We begin by opening the Windows Network and Sharing Center and clicking the Change Adapter Settings link. Right-clicking the desired local area connection, we next select Properties. For now, Internet Protocol version 4 is the most common Ethernet addressing scheme, so we may select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click the Properties button. Typically, the NIC is configured to obtain an IP address automatically. Configured thusly, a computer will broadcast to the network using the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP. However, some automation networks do not have a DHCP server, so a computer configured for dynamic addressing would not get an address and would, therefore, be unable to communicate on that network. To solve this problem, we may configure the NIC with a valid static IP address. So we need to select the Use the following IP address radio button. Now we simply need to enter the IP address and subnet mask determined previously and click the OK button. We should remember to return the network interface card to dynamic addressing when we are through communicating on this network. Otherwise, we may not be able to reconnect to an enterprise network using DHCP.